Dog Man, 20,000 Fleas Under the Sea. Written and illustrated by Dav Pilkey. As George Beard and Harold Hutchins, with color by Jose Garibaldi and Wes Joba. Chapter 1. Dog Man Jumps the Shark. We're almost there. Thanks for coming with me on my date, Dog Man. I'm a little nervous. Is my breath okay? Oh boy, this is gonna be great! She's already here! What do I do, Dog Man? What do I say? What if she doesn't like me anymore?
Hiya, Chief.
Hi, Nurse Lady.
And hello, Dog Man.
Well, gee, Oh, do you like the sky?
Yeah, I guess so.
Oh. Well, are you three blabbermouths gonna order some food? Hey, what's that dog doing here? He's not a dog. He's Dog Man. Well, he looks like a dog to me, and we don't allow dogs.
Oh, yeah? Well, I don't see a sign.
Are you happy now? And since you violated our sign, I'm gonna take this dog leash and tie him to this trash can where he belongs. Now he can't cause any trouble. Hey! Gotcha! You better not hurt him! Who's gonna stop me?
We are, with the power of Supa-Rama.
You can't tell me what to do! Oh, yes, we can! You in what army?
Him and this buddy.
Let the fight begin! Ready? Keep up! And so...
Are you okay, Dog Man?
Well, I guess we better go.
Okay, but first... That's better.
Oh!
Oh, look! New customers! How sweet! See you later, sunshine! What's wrong, Chief?
This date was a disaster.
Are you kidding? This was the funnest date ever! Thanks, Chief!
Chapter 2. Mini Jail. Meanwhile... Oh, hi Piggy. How's it going? Did you guys get my secret escape plans? Yeah. Well, did you study them? Well, we don't want to escape from mini jail, Piggy. What? This is madness! But we like it here, Piggy. Yeah, we like working here in the cafeteria. Look at the yummy cupcakes we baked. Wanna try one? No! I don't want to try a cupcake! I'm not even hungry anymore! You guys made me lose my appetite! How could you be so selfish? Move over! Whoa! Hey, Piggy, can I have one of yours? No! I only have 7 left! Do you want me to starve to death? No. Selfish. Hey, Piggy, you've got a visitor. Daryl, it's about time. Oh. Ho ho ho! Hey! Oh! Munch. Soon. Hiya, Piggy. Well, did you bring it? Aren't you even going to say hello? Hello, Daryl. Did you bring the Kinry Grow? No. No? Why not? They don't make it anymore. The factory was destroyed. But I brought you something even better. Huh? What's this? It's your costume. Costume? What for? For our club, Piggy. Don't you remember the friendly friends? I just recruited 2 new members. And I figured if we're gonna be superheroes, we're gonna need costumes. These are the most ridiculous costumes I've ever seen. They look like baby clothes. Who would be dumb enough to wear something like this? Hiya, Piggy. Sup? Oh, look! We touched Piggy's heart with friendly power! Chapter 3. Helping Papa. Alright, we've got a lot of work to do, so I don't want you two playing.
Why?
Because we've got to rebuild our lab.
Why?
Because I need a place to live.
Why?
Because I can't keep living at Dogman's house.
Why?
Because you guys are so irritating!
Why?
Because you're noisy, you're messy, and you think everything is so hilarious!
Why?
Because you... Cut that out!
Why?
Are you just going to be a wise guy all day?
Yeah, probably.
Well, that's just great! You promised to be good today. You begged to come with me. You swore to be helpful. But we haven't even started, and you're already being a big pain!
I'm sorry, Papa.
This is not playtime! Do you hear me? You are not here to play! And that goes for you, too! No playing! No playing! No playing!
Hi, guys! Do you want to play? Okay.
Oh!
Let's go!
Meanwhile... It's no use. I can't get this ridiculous shirt off! I think Piggy needs our help. How about a friendly friend hug? Oh, how sweet. Let go of me! If you 3 bug brains want to help, then get my escape plans, study them, and whoa! What's happening? Into the plane! The walls are crumbling! We are gonna die!